Good afternoon, this is Miss Brittany with the Cheetah Public Library. Today we're going to make a flower. So you will need some popsicle sticks. We have some that are already painted, so I'm going to use those, but if not, you're probably going to want to paint your popsicle sticks. And then a yellow pom-pom and a green pipe cleaner. I'm using our new stream at your library background. So, and then a hot glue gun. My first time using it, the background. So, alrighty. So our first step, we're gonna get our popsicle sticks. So I'm going to use one green one. I'm going to use 4 of the blue ones. Okay. So I'm going to take my 4 popsicle sticks and take the first 2, and I'm going to kind of make an X and glue them together. I'm going to take my next 2 and do the same thing. And I'm going to take the 2 X's and glue them on top. So if I have one standing this way, I'm going to take the other one facing this way, and then glue them on top. Just like this. So you kind of have like a star pattern. Just put some glue right here in the middle and place this one on top. I'll let it dry. I'm gonna redo that step. I didn't put enough glue. Okay. Lay the bottom one on your table and glue the top one on. And just put your hand on top of it and kind of press down and let it dry. While that's drying, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to take my green popsicle stick and my green pipe cleaner. I'm going to take the 2 ends of my pipe cleaner and I'm going to fold them into the middle. Get that leaf shape. When I have it how I want, I'm going to glue these 2 ends, this end and this end, to the middle here. So I want to glue it just like that. So I'm going to apply a little bit of glue on the middle of the pie cleaner. I'm going to glue one end of the pie cleaner. I'm going to use my stick to kind of push it together. Okay. And then I'm going to put a piece of glue on this end and glue this end right here. Sorry, I hope I'm not being too confusing. You won't need very much glue for this step. Okay, so I have them glued and I'm gonna kind of like shape the point right here. Kind of make it more look like a leaf. Okay, I'm gonna apply glue right here on the back, in the middle, and then I'm gonna glue it down to the end of my popsicle stick. I'm actually gonna put glue on the popsicle stick. Going to place my leaves on top and let it dry. With both of my hands, I'm putting a hand on each of the leaves, kind of holding it down so that the middle part will dry onto the popsicle stick. Okay. So I have that part done. So now I'm going to add your yellow pom-pom onto the center of your flower. Apply a little bit of glue into the middle of my flower. Carefully place my pom-pom on top, holding it down and letting it dry. Okay. Now I'm going to take this end of my flower and glue it to, actually I said that wrong. I'm going to apply glue on the back of this right here, on the back of the flower in the middle. And then you're going to apply the other end of your stem on top, holding it down so it'll dry. There you go. I placed the stem in between these two petals. And there you have your craft stick flower. So, like I said in the beginning of this video, this is my first time using the virtual background. If you think that it caused a little issue with watching what I was doing, let me know. This is my first time, so I kind of want some feedback on how it looks on your end. So let me know. And that is it for this. On Thursday, we are going to be doing a Mother's Day gift. So make sure you're looking out for that video. We're going to make keychains. So that'll be fun. Mother's Day is on Sunday. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day.